be playing this super cool game that's on Scratch. Alright, I'll start it. Cat clicker. Feel like I should be clicking this. Oh, that's going. Oh, it's how much money I have.
Wait, that mouse thing.
Mouse. Oh, it gives me money automatically. Alright, let's buy another one. Wow, now it gives me $2 automatically. That's really nice. What else is there?
Ooh, there's another one for pet clippers.
That gives me 5. Only 45. Whoa. Your friend? Wow, that gives me 10? That's really good. Alright. So this is our fourth video. I'm going to teach you. First video was on emotions and looks. The second video was on events. This third video was on controls. And the fourth video, this video, is on variables. So let's create this project. So what we need to do is we could go into the cat that we have on our screen to start and go to the code. So we could click take our when green flag clicked and take our forever loop. What this will do is this will do whatever is inside it forever. So you want us to wait for 1 second and then change one of these two variables that I have made. One is called automatic points per second, and the second one is called clicks. So the clicks is how much money or how many times I've clicked. The automatic points per second is how like the mouse clicks automatically, or the pet clicks automatically, or the friend clicks automatically. So what you do here is you take this change automatic points per second. You take this change automatic points per second by 1, put it over here. Instead of automatic points per second, you change it to clicks over here. Then what this is it should look like this for you. So you take one of these from over here, drag it, and drop it right where the 1 is. And you should have that ready. So now when you click the play button, it should do nothing because you haven't bought anything on the bottom yet, so your automatic points per second is equal to 0. But if I just have that block and I disconnect everything else, I have all of this money still there. So what we need to do is do another when green flags click. We put a set automatic points per second to 0, so we start off with 0, and then do set money to 0, so that we have no money at all in the start of the game. Then we take this block in the events called when the sprite clicked and take the change clicks by 1 from the variables. So whenever the cat is clicked, the points will increase by 1. Then the mouse, pet clickers, and your friend, they're basically the same exact code. So I'll go over one of them and then go over the changes. So you can go into the sprites and then search button. Button 3 and then select button 3. So this is the button. Now you could take the text, write whatever you want to call this upgrade or whatever, and say how many points per second it does. So the mouse gives you 1 point per second, while the pet clickers gives you 5 points per second, and the friends give 10 points per second. So you could click it to buy. And then you need to tell them how much each of them is. So the mouse, since it only does 1 click per second, is $10. The pet is $45 because it does more. And the friend is $85 because it does even more than that. Then, when we go back to the code, you could get a when the sprite is clicked and get an if-else block from the controls. Then you could go to the operators and get one of these blocks, blank less than 50. So you take that and drag it over here in the middle, like this, and then this. Now, since the friend is $85, we need to put $85 over here. So that, like, if it's less than $85, then it does nothing. Now we need to let the computer know what has to be less than $85. So we go to the variables and we take the clicks dollars. So if it's less than that, it should do nothing at all. It shouldn't give any automatic points per second. But if it isn't, but if it's more than $85, or it's $85 exactly, we should change the clicks dollars. We should change it by -85 so that it takes 85 away, so that it gets the money, so that it could give the automatic points per second. So to give the automatic points per second, we do change automatic points per second by 10 and put all of that under the else. Then you put all of this under the when this sprite's clicked. So that's what I've done. Now we take another when green flag's clicked and we take a forever loop over here. Inside that we put an if then else, and we need to make sure if clicks dollars is less than 85, then we go to the looks and we take this block called set color effect to 0. We change color to ghost and then we put 60 so that it looks like almost white. And that just shows that you can't buy it because you don't have enough money. But if you do have enough money, then it clears all the graphic effects, which means it makes it look like this right now. So you basically do the same thing for each and every one of them, but since the friend is 10 clicks per second, this automatic points per second is 10. So with the pet clickers, it's 5. So 5 goes here. And with the mouse, it's 1. So 1 goes here. Then over here, we have $85, 85, 85, -85, because this is $85 each. Now we do 45, 45, -45, and 10, 10, -10. You could change these numbers to however many clicks per second you have and how much each costs. So that's how you make our cat clicker game. Hope you had fun. Click the subscribe button below and check out my next video. Bye.